everybody, so I am in Disneyland with Holly. We've just made it to the hotel. We went on the Eurostar this time, which was really interesting actually. I felt a lot less stressed. It wasn't actually that bad, and it means that we could bring loads of snacks and like drinks and stuff, which was really helpful because we're going to try not to have lunch on this trip and just go for like a nice meal in the evening. Anyway, rambling on, we are basically just in our hotel room. We've unpacked all our stuff. We're staying at the B&B, which is one of the partner hotels, which is really nice actually. Holly stayed here before, I haven't, but it's really nice. And yeah, I'm just waiting for Holly to do her eyeshadow, or eyeliner even. And then we're gonna go into the parks, and I have no face makeup on. I didn't bring any face makeup for this trip because obviously we need to wear our masks and stuff. But yeah, as soon as we get into the park, we're gonna go to World of Disney, so I'll probably catch up with you after that maybe, because I feel like I'm just going to be too excited, so yeah. So we are now in Disney. I hope you can hear me. I'm assuming the sound quality is fine.
I can hear you, like you're good.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So we are now in the park basically. We just went into World of Disney.
Obviously.
Got myself a new lanyard, obviously. And 2 pairs of ears, obviously. Holly bought nothing, which I'm actually shocked at.
Being good this trip.
Yeah, I'm proud of you.
Saving for a house.
Yeah, exactly. Holly's allowing herself like a few house bits if we find some nice ones.
I will probably get a few pins.
You're gonna have
let's
to.
be honest.
If you go home without any, it's not going to allow you home. You're going to have to keep looking. But yeah, we're heading into the park now. We've got a few hours until it shuts, and then we're going to hopefully do Annette's for dinner. Because, I don't know, we just fancy it, and the price is not that expensive either. I think it was like 15 euros last time, and you get a free drink, so we're going to do that, which will be really fun. But yeah, we're going to go into the park, very exciting. It's just good, isn't it? I think so far,
very excited about it.
It's not so bad people-wise, like it's not rammed with people, if you know what I mean, so hopefully we'll see what the wait times are like, and hopefully they won't be stupidly long.
You can't see, but I'm smiling.
Yeah, I'm smiling too, you just can't tell. We are very excited to be here, but obviously you just can't tell, so yeah. See you in a bit. We have made it through the barriers, and we are here. It's so exciting, and it actually looks quite quiet. I feel. I don't know.
Yeah, I think like maybe the evenings are going to be a bit more quiet, and the mornings will be more busy.
Yeah.
Maybe. Or it just won't be busy. That'd be nice.
That'd be so nice, wouldn't it? Just dead all day. But yeah, we've literally just walked in, so really excited. We've just decided we're going to queue up for Victoria's, which is here with Holly's face. Because every time we've come here, like the 7 times we've been here, or however many it is, it's been shut, hasn't it? It literally has been shut. So we're queuing up for it. We're going to get one. There's actually a menu over there. I might go and look at it in a second, see what the options are. But yeah, could do with a little snack and a little milkshake. Don't know about you, but yeah, it is quite warm. I don't know how many degrees it is now, but it's probably like 28, I reckon. So probably about 28 degrees. Nice and hot, especially with a face mask on, so loving life. And yeah, I'm excited for my milkshake. But yeah, we're gonna have a milkshake, so I will show you guys when we get a milkshake. Very excited about the milkshake. Shall we sell milkshake one more time? Milkshake! So we've just got our milkshakes. Mine looks like Olaf, which is so cute. And Holly's got a little mini Mickey one, strawberry and banana, so
very excited.
I'm so excited about it. How excited are you on a scale of like 1 to a million?
Very excited. Like
a solid million.
Like what? A solid 1,000,010.
Yummy. So we've just come out of Victoria's, and it was actually really, really good. Would you give it? What would you give it out of 10?
As far as strawberry milkshakes go, I'd give it like a 5. But as far as the experience goes, I'd give it a 10.
Okay.
I'm just like, you know, strawberry milkshakes. I don't know if anybody else feels this, but like they have like to be very like, I don't know.
Specific?
Yeah, it's really hard to describe. Like ice creamy ones and milky ones are really nice, but then if you have ones that are a bit flavoured, they can be a bit strong. So like this one was like somewhere in the middle.
Okay, that's fair.
Just if anybody wants a review, do you know what I mean, of their strawberry milkshakes. The marshmallows and the cream on top were delicious.
Yeah, the cream was so good. I had banana, and I would give it a solid like 9 out of 10 for as far as banana milkshakes go.
Yeah, I did have a little sip of Mel's and it was good.
Yeah, I like actual banana milkshakes. I was really glad it was like an actual proper like banana and an ice cream blended situation. But now we're gonna go over to Big Thunder Mountain because we'd like that to be our first ride, and also there's a 30-minute wait, which will usually mean it's gonna be like 20 minutes, I think, hopefully. So we're gonna go and see what the queue's like for that.
Very exciting.
Yeah, very exciting. So we're gonna do that and then just see what happens. But I am so full right now, so I just need to like digest, do you know what I mean?
Definitely.
So full.
You need to digest.
Full. Okay, this is, oh my god, angle. So good. We've decided the wait for Big Thunder looks absolutely hefty, so we're going to do Pirates
first and then Big Thunder.
Exactly.
So
and I just nearly got my ticket. Yeah, exactly. And that'll be a lot of fun. And we love Pirates, so I am looking forward to it. And I'm smiling, but you can't tell.
Same.
So we've just come off of Pirates. How was that for you?
Really good.
It was really good, wasn't it?
Enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was so good. But now we're going to head to... I think we're going the wrong way, hun.
Oh yeah, we are.
Turn around. We're heading back towards Big Thunder Mountain because we're going to go and queue for that because it's getting on to about 6:30 now and the park shuts at 8, so we're going to go and queue for that, have a little look around the shops and then probably head to Disney Village, I think. But yeah, that's the plan. Cooling down now a bit, which is nice. It's not as hot anymore, but it's still nice and warm. Glad I didn't bring a coat.
Yeah.
Literally wouldn't have needed one. Just come off of Big Thunder Mountain and it said it was a 40-minute wait, but it was actually like 15 minutes, so
that was a good time.
That was a great time to go on. It's a little bit claustrophobic though, so if you get really claustrophobic, the queue system's like not that great because there's like glass walls.
It is great.
Yeah, it is, because obviously it's helping the
it's
situation.
Great for not germs,
but not good if you're
not good
claustrophobic.
if you're
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
Sorry, I realised it. Yeah. Anyway, but now we're going to head on over to sort of like Buzz and Autopia, Space Mountain, and sort of see what the wait times are like over there because we came off of that a lot quicker. So it's 7 o'clock now, we have an hour, so maybe we could squeeze in a ride, walk through the shops and then go and have a look at Disney Village, have a mooch about, because I'm not really that hungry yet, No. Cool, okay, we'll do that then. So we were going to go on to Space Mountain, but it was a 25-minute wait, but the queue looked absolutely huge, so we are now just going to have a little mooch through the shops.
Should we get a little picture here?
Yeah, take a nice little picture by the fountain, and then we're going to have a little walk through the shops because it's a little bit rainy, so that's the plan. I'm like posing with my legs because I can't do anything else. So we're just leaving the park now, and obviously all the characters were out, which is really cute. Love that little touch because obviously you can't really meet them properly at the moment, like actually like touch, but that was really nice. So now we're going to head to Disney Village, probably have a little mooch until we're hungry, I guess.
Yep.
And then Annette.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep. But yeah, Holly just got some really good pins actually. They have a lot of things on offer. I'll show you. Here's my phone. She got these. They were half price. They were like €10, but with our discount it was like $8.99, wasn't it? So bit of a bargain if you're into your pins.
About like £7 for 4 pins, which
Can't go
is
wrong.
a bargain.
Especially even if you wanted to trade most of them, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you could do
I'll
that.
probably keep them all, I quite like them.
Yeah, they're cute. I like them too. But yeah, we're going to Disney Village. So we're in Annette's diner. We went for the cheese hot dog, which is like the size of my head. Just for comparison, Holly, can you put like your hand next to the hot dog, please? Like huge. Really excited about it. We got our free drinks again like we did before. If you have an annual pass, you get a free drink. So we've just finished in Annette's diner, and Holly's feet all of a sudden are in excruciating pain.
Literally, I don't know what's happened.
She's worn these shoes many a time.
I feel like I'm walking like Mad-Eye Moody.
She's got her little dock sandals on, which are really cute, but she's having a bit of a moment. So we're going to head back to the hotel anyway. So we're just going to have a bit of a chilled evening and like plan the next few days. Have a shower and stuff. And just like organise our lives a little bit, you know. So
Watch That So Raven.
Watch That So Raven, exactly. So I will catch you guys up when we get back to the hotel. Can't guarantee we'll be doing much, but it's all fun and games, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? But we're going to go and get the bus. I've just bought the most extravagant ears I'm going to wear tomorrow because it's me. I always buy ears I don't need. Today I bought 3 pairs, so we're doing well. We'll catch you guys up when we get to the hotel. Very exciting. So we just got back to the hotel and I thought I would just end today's vlog because I'm going to take my makeup off, whatever's left of it, and like take the ears off and whatnot. So I thought I'd say good night now. Thanks for watching day 1 and we will see you in the morning.
Yes,
day 2.
we will. Goodbye.
Bye.